Hi there, welcome to your first lesson. I'm your lecturer Elaine from CVlounge. Today we're going to look at Photoshop tools. Starting with Photoshop, you may be overwhelmed with all these buttons and features on the left, right, and top. Let's start at the left. The top tool is your selection tool. It is to move objects around. Next, we have the marquee tool. It selects objects. You can see a small arrow in the corner. This states that there are more options of this tool available. Right-click on it. We have a rectangle marquee tool, elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool. For the elliptical marquee tool, or actually any shape tool, it's when you hold the Shift key on your keyboard in and drag your shape like that. You will notice that it doesn't distort. It stays a perfect circle. Or if it's a rectangle marquee tool, like this, if you hold Shift in, it will be a perfect square. So if we select a part of this form and selecting the selection tool, you can move the area that you selected, like that. Let's undo that. Control, Alt, and Z. Let's undo. Another way to select a form, make sure you're on the right layer and press on your keyboard Control and T for free transform. Now if you right click on it, you will have other options. Let's see distort. So this gives you another option. Like that. Press. Right click again and select warp. And this will give you another option. Like that. To select the form or object of a layer, you hold Control in on your keyboard and then click on the layer. You will see it selected all the objects on that canvas. Same with this one. Hold Control in and click on the layer and it will select that one. Next we have the lasso tool or magnetic tool. This also lets you select shapes like that and you can move it around. Next you have the lasso tool, which you can also select objects with this. Next we have the magic wand tool. This is when you want to select a whole area. It will select the area of the color you click on. If we choose to click on this color, it will select that color. However, if we select a color on a photo, like this, it will search for that color in that area. You can set the tolerance at the top to be less sensitive to the color range it wants to select. Like 8, if you click again, it will only choose less color of that specific color. Another way to select color is to go to the top, select color range. This will give you a cursor that looks like an eyedropper. If you click on a color in a photo, it will select all those colors through the whole photo. You can manage the fuzziness of the photo here to make your color selection a bigger range, and once you are done, press OK. And then all those colors in the whole photo will be selected. Deselect. Also under the Magic Wand tool, we have the Quick Selection tool. This tool you can click and drag over the areas that you want to select, like that.